A big part of being successful with online arbitrage is turning one lead into 5 other profitable leads easily. It's this one thing that is going to help you scale fast and just find more leads and be able to spend your money faster, because this is what is going to help you to scale. Another thing that is going to help you to scale as well is being able to find multiple sources to be able to replenish one of your profitable ASIN more often than you are currently doing. And you need to be able to build knowledge on specific ASIN, specific products that are great products. You need to know a couple of things. And this is what we are going to look at today. Before we do, if you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube. So subscribe and like this video so you get to see more of those videos and you get to scale your business 100% for free. If you want more help, you can get my coaching link in the description, but there's a ton of value. If you have time to watch all of my videos, you have everything that you need to become a 7-figure seller. Guarantee, right? And there's no money back guarantee because it is free, okay? So I'm not going to pay you to watch my videos. So let's assume, okay, that by the way, if you haven't watched the previous video in the playlist, there's a playlist, okay? It's an advanced online arbitrage sourcing course. There's a whole playlist. I'll link it right there, and I'm going to forget. So the first people that actually tells me, like, just tell me to add it over there, okay? Whatever. It's going to be either this side or this side. I don't care. So let's assume that we were able to find this product for $44, okay? So we actually looked at a couple of things. If you remember, it's this field of opportunity. Yes, I know my designs are great. We tested a couple of sales. This one we did not find anything profitable. This one we did not find anything profitable. This one we did not find anything profitable. And finally, and of course I forgot how to use this tool. Finally, right there, we found some profit after checking 5 different sales, okay? It took us 3 hours, we make $50 profit, all right? Probably a little bit more with this one, but you get the idea, okay? So we were able to turn this $3 3 hours of work into $50 of profit, and then those $50 of profit were multiple strategies that we discussed in the previous steps. We were able to turn this into, I think, $1,200 so far, $1,200 profit, okay? So now, one of the big issue that we have is that we have one source, okay? This is the source that we had. This is the source that we had for this specific product. And it was not this one, but you get the idea, okay? We had one source that we're able to source maybe 6 times a year, okay? And since we all have cash flow problems because we do not have unlimited money to buy inventory, except the top 1% of the top 1%, it is kind of hard to stay in stock in those ASINs all the time and in multiple of those ASINs all the time. So we need to find a way to ease our cash flow. And one of the great way to do it is to find other source for these products. And I'm going to show you how to dive deeper and how to add. So we have this one source right there, but how to actually look outside of this kind of opportunity that we had and potentially find other source for these products that are clear winner for you. So instead of having one source, okay, one source that is not going to be on sale all the time, that sometimes, you know, you're going to have one source, but this source is not going to work all the time. You're going to be able to build other source, 1 more source, 2 more source, 3 more source. So you're going to be able to replenish these products more often. You're going to be potentially able to find better price for these products, and this is a big part of, you know, increasing your profit margins, and sometimes you'll be able to do it. And the whole reason why I'm teaching you all this is because you actually need to dive deeper into your sourcing. You need to understand the products that you sell better. You need, as the video that I actually released yesterday, that has nothing to do with this series, you need to actually think of this business as a real business and not a side hustle, and you need to dive deeper. And as this business becomes more and more competitive, and it becomes more and more saturated, all this knowledge that you are going to be able to build is going to give you a competitive advantage on those products that other people that are just starting do not have. And so it's fine if this business, if the Amazon business for online arbitrage becomes more saturated, as long as you can keep a competitive advantage. If you're not able to keep a competitive advantage, you deserve to run out, to go out of business. And I'm sorry to say it this way, if you are not able to keep a competitive advantage, you are not able to actually go a mile, like to go a step beyond what other people are doing, you deserve to be out of business. And I'm sorry if this is your livelihood, this is life, this is business. You deserve to be out of business if you are not willing to do the extra work, okay? And one time or another, you will actually need to do this extra work to be able to remain in a business, okay? And so it's better to do it now so you have a bigger competitive advantage, and so you can start working on other stuff once it's actually, you need to stay one step ahead of the competition. All right, so one way you are going to do this is to actually be able to get a better understanding of the product that you sell. How are you going to do this, and how are you going to develop other source for this product? So the first thing that you should do, if you have a great product, is you should always have, if you have a great ASIN, you should always have notes on those great ASINs that you have, okay? And so, for example, either notes that you write down, but I have a pretty good memory, so I have all these, for all the best products that I have all those mental notes on those products. And of course, I'm trying to document them pretty much for my team. But like, you should have mental notes at least on all those products, and just write down stuff if you have a bad memory. I guarantee that it's pretty likely you do not have as good as a memory as I do. I'm sorry to tell you, it's not like I'm sorry but I have a really good memory, so I do not need to write everything down. But for my team, I need to actually do it, all right, as I'm trying to outsource more and more things. So what you are going to need to do is understand a couple of things about your product, okay? The first thing that you need to understand is you first need to have a really good understanding of the product that you sell, the colorways, the different colorways, and the different size and the speed at which they sell. Okay, so you should know, for example, so for this specific shoe, and it is not necessarily going to be a good example, but there's a lot of Nike shoe with not as many colorways, so you need to understand which colorways are actually selling fast. You need to pretty much know how fast each colorways are selling. So I would assume that for this one, the black one is selling fast, the white one is selling fast. This one is probably not going to sell as fast. This one would probably sell pretty fast as well, but you need to get pretty much an idea of what colorway you want to go for mainly, and there's a lot of Nike shoes that sell super fast if you can get them cheap for cheap enough, right? You want to know what size are selling fast, what color are selling fast, and what size are selling fast. Sizes are going to be usually the same. You know the money size if you know about selling shoes. But like most of the time on Amazon, you're gonna have, even for running shoes, you're gonna have extra wide size that are going to sell super fast as well. It's not necessarily something that you should look for, but it's something that you should pretty much get an understanding of. Okay, because the big thing is, and it is going to serve you if you do retail arbitrage as well. Because for example, if you go to the Nike store and you actually see those shoes that sells, because this is going to be the next step in the process, is you need to understand under what price you need to get the shoe, okay? Because a lot of these shoes, the price is going to be pretty stable. This may not be a great example, but on a lot of the best shoes on Nike, you know what price, and the price will go up, will go down, but it looks like this specific shoe usually sells for, I'd say it sells anywhere in between $90, but it goes back up to $100 most of the time. So if you can get this shoe under $50, most of the time you'll be good, because even if instead of $90 at $50, it's going to be like 30% return on investment, going to be 37, so it's actually great, okay? So this is something that you need to understand. One of the first things that you're going to need to understand, and I'm sorry if I talk fast, one of the things that you're going to need to understand is at what price is actually interesting for the ASIN that you are actually selling. And you need to actually understand this. You need to have this brand in your mind. So whenever you see this specific product under a specific price, you know without checking that you can actually buy it. It is going to help you a lot if you do retail arbitrage as well, because you can just go into a store and whenever you see that product, you can actually grab it and buy it without needing to scan stuff. And in my opinion, if you want to run online arbitrage at scale, retail arbitrage at scale, this is something that you should absolutely do. I've been doing a little bit more retail arbitrage, and I've just been going to store and grabbing stuff without even scanning them, because I have so much knowledge about a lot of products, because I've been selling for a long time, right? So you build up this knowledge about all those products when you sell for a long time, and you start understanding these stuff. So you need to understand at what price you need to get this under. So for example, you will know that if you sell this for under $50, if you actually buy this for under $50, it's actually a great deal, and you should potentially get it, right? For every single size you can find. And of course, you need to know, for example, if there's a size that you know sells, do not sell as fast, you should skip it. But this is not the meat of this call, okay? The meat of this call is that you actually need to have a list, and this is what I highly recommend you to do. If this is a lead that you sell a lot, you will notice that there's probably a couple of ASIN for that specific shoe, right? And you should have the list of all those ASINs and have them ranked for all of them, because sometimes you will see that some ASINs will tank while other will not tank. It's the time to shift your inventory to another ASIN, right? But this is not the meat of the call, okay? Of course, you need to have a spreadsheet with all that information, but this is not what we are really after today. What we are really after today is trying to find other source for this product. So you have a great product, you know where to source it, it's fine. Find another source. Go on Google and try to find another source. For example, let's assume that we actually bought this product and we can potentially make it profitable. Actually, I don't know if it's the exact same one. Nah, it's not. Is it the same one? Is it actually the same one? Nah, it's not. But let's assume. All right. Let's assume that you actually bought this product on Nike. Okay, it's this one. It's a different color, but you get the idea, right? We know that this product is selling on Nike, and sometimes it becomes profitable because we already know the sales cycle. We have a target list. If you do not know what a target list is, you can get mine. Okay, it's this a list of all the sales that are currently going on. My VAs build it for me, and you can actually get the same one for $1 a day. Link in the description. There's a link for that. All right. So it's cool. You'll see the link. I'll write something on the description, such as like hire my VA for less than $1 a day. There's a video that explains everything on it. So yeah, do it. Check it out. All right. So what we want to do is find other source for this specific product. So we are buying this product on Nike.com. We want to see what other website is selling this product. So we have Relay. I do not even know this website. Relaygoods.com. Let's assume that it's a legit website. I don't think so, but we don't care. Roadrunner is actually selling this product. Shop WSS is selling this product. And what we want to do is really get an understanding of all the websites, and this is not the same one, but it would be, so Backcountry, Foot Locker. So we want to get an understanding of all the websites that actually sell this product, because it may not be profitable on these websites right now, but what we want to do is actually keep track of all of this. So we can actually get them for 69. Doesn't matter. We want to understand which website actually sell this product, and actually get the list of all the websites that sell this product, because they may not be on sale at all the same place at the same time. And also, doing this will allow you, whenever you buy a specific product, to make sure that you get the cheapest price and that you really understand the market for this product outside of Amazon, because it will impact the market for this product on Amazon, okay? And we go way deeper into that stuff in my coaching groups. So if you want to learn more about it, go in. But this is a concept that you need to understand. The market for a product outside of Amazon is going to directly affect the market for a product on Amazon, okay? So the next thing that you want to do, you want to map, pretty much understand where you can actually find this product, whether it is on sale or not, okay? And you want to start monitoring all those websites. One way you can monitor it is by having your target list, going into your target list and looking, for example, okay, we have shopwss.com. I believe that we actually monitor this website. We do, okay? You want to look at all the sales that this website has, all the coupons, potentially the coupons, okay, extra 20% off sale. So you know that this is pretty much probably a place where you can actually source this product whenever it's on sale. And actually, this is a great sale where you can potentially buy it. Nike up to 40% off. And so what you want to do is you want to build, and I'm not going to do it in front of you, okay? If you want to learn more about that stuff more in depth, get on my coaching. We have ample time to do a whole session about that stuff, okay? But what you want to do is get an understanding of what potential sale you can actually source that from, take note of that, and actually check whenever that sale comes back. Because all the sales that you're going to have, usually, the Nike up to 40% off is going to come back. If it is a potential sale where you can actually source this product, it is going to come back and you'll be able to actually check that sales to actually buy this product, okay? And I'm not even sure you can read it right now because it may be too small, but this is the sale that I was talking about, all right? So you want to do this for every single website. Track every single website where you can buy this product and list all the possible sales where this product could potentially come from, okay? Another tool that you can use a tool that is called Visual Ping, and let me just open it for you. It's called visualping.io. All right. And so what this tool is going to help you do, is it's going to help you track web page. Okay, this is a tool that not a lot of people use in the online arbitrage world, but it's a tool that is actually super helpful. Okay, free. You've never seen anybody talking about that on YouTube videos. So what the tool will allow you to do is actually track the price. If you want to, you can track the specific elements. Just watch on their website how to use the tool, but you can actually track these and receive an email or text message whenever the price change. Okay, so that way, if you receive the email, you can potentially have, like, on one of your sources, you can potentially buy the product and sell it on Amazon. If the price goes below $50, you know that it's time to actually grab it. You don't even need to check the ASIN because it's a product that you've been selling over and over again, and that you can actually buy again. So in short, this is a quick strategy, okay? A quick strategy to be able to make more money, have better deals with the products that you are currently selling, and just replan them more often, all right? Because also, if you have more sources, if those websites do not allow you to place 20 orders, it's an easy way to diversify and buy your product from multiple sources. Even sometimes if it's for a little bit more money, you can actually get more stock and get more of the buy box. So it's something that you need to consider as well. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff as usual. Get Arbitrage Talker as well. We did not talk about this in this video. Watch these videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for